Go north. Avoid the highway. 506 to Cobalt 4, confirming station time.
10 minutes.
Rog, hold orbit. Hurry now. Barkov's gonna come and claim us dead.
Yalla, تزرنا.
Hey, fella. You know he's gonna make you pay for this.
We will make them pay.
We'll be ready.
My men have cleared the road to the north. You can camp there, it's safe.
Thank you.
The revolution begins now, sister.
The war begins now, brother.
Even war is a high ground. Stay on it. Bravo 6, wheels up in 2.
Years of civil war.
There's nothing simple about it.
Adir's well trained. Teamed up, kidnapped, doesn't matter. He took the gas to Russia too.
Yeah, he did that without Katana's help.
Got the network and the manpower.
How can you blame him, right?
Unofficially, no. But this is bigger than Hadir now. We've got two options.
Well, we warn Moscow.
Or we let Mother Russia have a taste of her own medicine.
A lot of innocent people are gonna die.
At the hands of a Western asset.
Okay, so let's cut to the chase.
What do you suggest?
A business trip.
Unsanctioned?
Black.
Who's your team?
Some old comrades.
And the sergeant?
He's ready.
I can get you in after that. You're on your own. Host nation weapons only.
Leave it to me. It's a hell of a view, Nikolai.
Was the capital before Moscow?
The good old days.
I got two on the door.
More Alcotal inside.
Vehicle inbound.
Watch him.
Good spot. Parking here sucks.
There's the butcher in the yellow shirt.
Blaster from the embassy.
No gas.
No, Hadir.
Easy shot.
Tempting.
Oh, how fast? The butcher gets us to Hadir.
Or the gas attack goes off.
Well, if that happens, then we're all fucked. Let's gear up. Get evil. Clock's ticking.
This way.
What's the time frame?
Hours or less. You get the gear?
Best I could do on a short notice. Suppressors, ammo, no flashbangs.
Nice job, Nick. 40 cal hollow points.
150 grain. Your favorite.
Conceal it for now.
Rally at the warehouse.
Rog, bring the package.
On my way, Captain.
I know you want another shot at the butcher.
No grave deep enough for that sick bastard, sir.
You'll have your chance. All right, but right now, we need the butcher alive.
Привет.
Привет.
Доброе утро.
That's not bad.
That's all I got.
We sweep the guards up so they can't alert the others, then move in on the rear door.
Rog.
Guns on my signal, not before. Easy, easy, mate. We've got permits, right? Show 'em. Now. Nikolai, trash in the alley.
I brought bags.
You think of everything. Check your shots. Butcher gets us to Hadir. We need him breathing until he does.
This is retaliation. Today, the pain and suffering is not ours, but theirs. We give special thanks to our new soldier, whose strong
soldier?
will is our good fortune. If the
he
wolf
is.
is alive,
Affirm.
I'll be proud of you.
Yellow, behind the table.
And if he is gone... Huh? Back! Butcher is running! Get back! Clear! All clear! Get after him! Don't let them follow! Kill them! Door! Behind the car! Watch your shot! Bullshit! What do you think?
That's cool, boys.
Don't let him get away! Take him!
Down! Street doors open!
Butcher's on the run! Civilians, take your fire!
Fucking hell!
Nikolai, target is moving south. Stand by for extra.
Copy. I'm tracking you.
How?
The guns.
Stay with us. All right, stay on him. I'll circle around for intercept. I'll take your head, motherfucker. You hear me? They die because of you. Shot. Around for intercept. I'll take your head, motherfucker. You hear me? They die because of you.
I'm good, sir. Target's on the move. Riverside.
Around for intercept. I'll take your head, motherfucker. You hear me? They die because of you.
Sergeant! I'm good, sir. Target's on the move. Riverside.
What's you going over the bridge, Sergeant? Contact! Vehicle, left side! Shit! They got an RPG! Take it out!
RPG's down.
Stay with me, Sergeant! Close, Garrick! Don't lose it! There! Just beyond the fence! Dick, he's cutting through the cafe, Riverside. South, where are you?
Inbound, Captain.
Where the hell are they coming from?
Molotov!
Get away!
He's headed for the river. The cafe, Riverside. South, where are you?
Inbound, Captain.
Where the hell are they coming from?
Molotov, heads up!
You getting away?
Molotov, heads up!
You getting away?
He's headed for the river. Stay away from me! Nikolai!
We got him.
It's hard to run with concussion, no?
That's only a scratch. Get the fucking man. Who are you? So my men can send your head home to your families.
Fuck off, shit pouch.
Get in, Sergeant.
Small problem. Engine is a little bit cranked.
Sing it a bloody lullaby. We're gonna go. Cover us, Carl. Light them up. Place your hands.
Yes,
Where are the chemicals? Up your fucking Russian ass. You can't hurt me, you weak piece of shit. But you, Captain, oh, you can do better than that. You think I forgot your face, SAS? Huh? Or you, Sergeant?
Get your head in the game,
Frank.
Sergeant.
We need to break this bastard, Captain.
We're about to. Nikolai, where's the package?
Pulling in now, Captain.
Okay. Go to Nikolai. You get a package, you come back here. Right?
Sergeant Garrick, package in the back.
Please,
Bargain
please let us go. We know nothing.
For negotiation. Perhaps the butcher will have a change of heart.
Mama, what's happening?
It's okay. It's okay, my son. It's okay, baby. Just... We'll be out of here soon. Please, just don't hurt my son. We'll do what you say.
Here, Mama.
Don't be afraid, huh? Your mama's brave, boy. Where are you taking us?
Where are we going, Mama?
We are going to talk to some men, and then we will go home, okay? What you're doing is unforgivable. We are innocent people. I demand to know why we are here.
Kyle, you don't have to do this. You in or out?
I'm in, sir.
Good. Hand them off to Diego.
No, please.
Usa. Amun.
Careful with them, you son of a bitch!
You want the gloves off? They're off.
What did you do? Your own son is here, your own child.
No, he's got no problems with hurting children, they're right, Sergeant.
None.
Shut up.
What have you done? You promised you'd keep this away from us.
Captain, I can't do
You're
this.
excused. Pick it up, Sergeant.
What are you going to do to us?
Nobody's going to do anything. Hey, no!
Please, we are not involved with any of...
What the hell?
You pulled the hammer, Sergeant, not me. Rest assured, I wouldn't let the Sergeant brandish a loaded weapon indoors, unless he had to. Now, last chance, where's the gas?
Fuck you.
Load the gun, Sergeant.
Hey! No, leave him! Listen to me! Karitka Theater.
Lie.
No, I am not, I swear to you, I'm not. The gas is there, Karitka Theater, I swear to you.
Where's the deer?
The young blood? You're too late to stop him. Go, Sergeant. Save some fucking Russians. Workov already be dead.
He's going after Barkov. We're done with it. It'll take a minute.
Russia and the West will go to war and leave our land alone. Go, Sergeant.
Gas is at the Karetka Theater. Secure it and call it in, you know the drill.
I told you.
Loser is yours, it will get you out of the city.
Diaz at Barkov's mistake. We're gonna kill him.
And start the World War.
Let him from killing first. Garrick, get in the car. Cover us.
Rog.
You little fucks! Untie me!
Контактов нет. Вижу химикаты. Внимание всем! Заложники безопасности. Химикаты целы. Мясник здесь.
Принято. Расчет их им защите уже в пути.
Hey. It's a checkpoint.
For us.
What is there a difference?
Road's blocked. What's the plan?
Shock and all.
What if they don't move?
That old hell's gonna break loose.
3 seconds.
There's plenty of time.
Holy shit, Captain.
Nikolai said they'll bake.
What if they follow?
They won't.
Boss. What the hell are we doing here?
We're cleaning up a mess.
With women and children?
They were leverage.
They were hostages.
When you take the gloves off, you get blood on your hands, Kyle. That's how it works.
Where do we draw the line, sir?
You draw the line wherever you need it, Sergeant. End of the day, someone has to make the enemy scared of the dark. We get dirty, and the world stays clean. That's the mission. Now, if you're having second thoughts, then I can do this on my own.
No, sir. No second thoughts.
Good. Now let's get out of here before he kills Barkov.